The MN2000 face recognition time clock is part of the powerful uAttend employee management system, the world's most popular cloud-connected time and attendance devices. In addition to powerful facial recognition technology, the MN2000 features an RFID card reader, a PIN pad, plug-and-play Ethernet connectivity, a lifetime warranty, and sends data in real time to your uAttend cloud-connected account. Face recognition technology is the most reliable biometric solution for time and attendance available today. Using face recognition in your business offers many benefits. It's easy to enroll employees in the system in less than a minute. It's totally hygienic, no need for employees to touch the device and spread germs. It's private, no images of employees' faces are captured or stored. It's fast, punching in or out takes only seconds. And it's inexpensive. With uAttend, you can enjoy face recognition technology at a fraction of the price of other systems. Adding a new user is simple. Just enter the menu and select User Management. Create a 6-digit PIN for the user, and then listen to the instructions to line your eyes up to the camera. You'll be asked to step backwards twice to get 3 angles, and that's it. Easy to use, fast, and inexpensive. The uAttend MN2000 is the right face recognition time clock for you.